Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we will learn about Hadoop. Before we go to introduction of Hadoop, let us learn why we need big data. There have many reasons to use big data. Some of them are producing large amount of data daily, unable to handle data using traditional way, data volume increasing day by day, low cost solution to maintain big data, low licensing cost to maintain servers, better operational efficiency, and support horizontal scaling. Now let us learn importance of big data. There have many importance of big data. Some of them are: big data tools can do sentiment analysis. Therefore, you can get feedback about who is saying what about your company. If you want to monitor and improve the online presence of your businesses, then big data tools can help in all these. Use big data analytics to boost customer acquisition and retention. Use big data analytics to solve advertisers' problem and offer marketing insights. Use big data analytics as a driver of innovations and product development. Another huge advantage of big data is the ability to help companies innovate and redevelop their products. The customer is the most important asset any business depends on. There is no single business that can claim success without first having to establish a solid customer base. However, even with a customer base, a business cannot afford to disregard the high competition it faces. If a business is slow to learn what customers are looking for, then it is very easy to begin offering poor quality products. In the end, loss of clientele will result, and this creates an adverse overall effect on business success. The use of big data allows businesses to observe various customer-related patterns and trends. Observing customer behavior is important to trigger loyalty. Big data analytics can help change all business operations. This includes the ability to match customer expectation, changing company's product line, and of course ensuring that marketing campaigns are powerful. Let us learn about Hadoop. Apache Hadoop is a collection of open source software utilities that facilitates using a network of many computers to solve problems involving massive amount of data and computation. It provides a software framework for distributed storage and processing of big data using the MapReduce programming model. Hadoop was originally designed for computer cluster built from commodity hardware, which is still the common use. It has since also found use on clusters of high-end hardware. All the modules in Hadoop are designed with a fundamental assumption that hardware failure are common occurrences and should be automatically handled by framework. Some of Hadoop components are MapReduce, Scoop, Yarn, HBase, Hive, Mahout, HDFS and Pig. Let us learn about Hadoop architecture. As we all know, Hadoop is a framework written in Java that utilizes a large cluster of commodity hardware to maintain and store big size data. The Hadoop architecture mainly consists of 4 components: MapReduce, HDFS, Yarn and common utility. Hope you learn about Hadoop. We will discuss more about Hadoop in next video. If you have any question about Hadoop, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.